Coriander and a Hakka Chinese shrimp stir fry is added to a semolina or rava dhokla batter. This is then loaded into a tin and steamed. Once steamed and cooled, it's flipped over and smeared with chili paste and garnished with spring onion and coriander leaves and white sesame seeds. It's cut into pieces and enjoyed. I'm going to start making the stir fry first. Heat up some oil and add a 1/4 cup of spring onion bulbs. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of finely minced ginger and 1 tablespoon of sliced green chili. Saute this together. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of chopped green pepper, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped carrot, and 1/2 cup of finely chopped mushrooms and saute this. This is totally optional, but it does give the dhokla an amazing and unique flavor. I'm going to be adding in 100 grams of chopped shrimp. Saute this. For flavorings, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili paste. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of spring onion leaves, and I'm going to leave this aside. To make the dhokla batter, I've got 2 cups of yogurt here and 1 cup of water, and I'm just going to beat this together. I have 2 cups of semolina here, and I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the yogurt and water and mix together. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander and about 3/4 of the shrimp stir fry mix, and I'm going to mix it in. In my Instant Pot, I have some water heating up over a trivet, and I will lower in a greased cake pan. I've added parchment paper at the bottom to make it easy to flip over. Add the rest of the stir fry at the bottom of the pan. Working quickly, I'm going to add in 10 grams of Eno fruit salt, and I'm going to mix it into the batter. Quickly pour this into the pan. Put a lid on it and allow it to steam for 30 to 45 minutes. Once the dhokla has cooled down, I'm going to turn it over on a board. To serve, I like to smear the top with 1 to 2 tablespoons of red chili paste, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of spring onion leaves, a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, and a sprinkling of white sesame seeds. Cut this into pieces and enjoy.